Hello, hello to my viewers. Today we will playing Melon Playground. Melon Playground is the like a people playground game. And I have now saves and blueprints here. Let's see what is my works here. So here I had a Kia Pride 1993 sedan, a Mirage G4 2014, and a police bar light. That's only my saves. And this is a blueprint. This is the Mirage G4 and the one is Kia Pride. But that's only the cars that I have. So soon I will create other cars. There's also a new tomato, NPC tomato, and a robot. And the workshop in here in Melon Playground mod or save workshop is of not currency, and we need to log in. So now I have now account. It looks I don't have any enough melon dollars in the game currency because I want to have a currency in this game. We can also sell now our saves and mods, but with currencies, which is it takes more realistic. You can also change the dim for parent playground. It does 4 dims. The ordinary dim, the sand, the desert dim, and the snowland dim, and the I don't what's this? Maybe it's a forest dim, maybe. That is for my video. Thank you for watching. I hope you support my channel. Bye bye.